Is your Infiniti Q60 key fob not working? It likely needs a new CR32 battery. This video will guide you through a quick battery replacement. First, locate the small seam on the edge of your key fob, usually near the keyring slot. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool into the seam and gently pry the case open. The 2017-2019 Q60 fobs have a simple two-piece snap-fit design, so no screws or glue are present. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use the screwdriver to gently pop the battery out, avoiding contact with the battery terminals with your bare hands to prevent corrosion. Now that you have the old battery out, grab your new CR2032 battery. Ensure it's a quality brand for optimal performance. Place the new battery into the key fob with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery makes good contact with the spring terminals. Next, reassemble the key fob by firmly snapping the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm the LED light illuminates and the functions work. If the fob doesn't work immediately, try cycling the vehicle's ignition. In rare cases, you may need to reprogram the fob via the infotainment system. Consult your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly.